The as key action super sentence is great for story starts or for beginning a paragraph. This super sentence builds context before introducing a key action or event to the story. The as sets the scene. It paints the backdrop before the action really begins. It's like a drumbeat that gets louder and more exciting with each as. The repeating pattern is fun to read and sounds great. It's a fantastic way to grab your reader's attention. So add this to your toolbox of writing tricks. Gain explains. Start by writing 3 things beginning with as that set the scene. As the sea darkened, as the waves crashed, as the lightning struck. Having set the scene, introduce the key action or event. The brave voyager cut through the Atlantic Ocean, determined to reach land by nightfall. Let's do another. Start by writing 3 things that set the scene. As the clock ticked, as the customers waited, as the teller counted. Introduce the key action or event. A masked man entered the bank. Let's look at some more examples. As the engines roared, as the tires squealed, as the crowd cheered, the race car sped down the track, approaching the first turn. This one follows the suggested format and gives the reader a detailed picture of what is happening. It's also good because the verb choices give the reader a description of the sounds that would be heard. As the stars twinkled, as the moon glowed, as the night deepened, the 2 boys crept towards the dinghy, like shadows silently gliding through the darkness. Again, this follows the as approach, which gives the sentence a pleasing rhythm. I also like the use of the simile to describe how the boys crept towards the dinghy. As the rain wept, as the thunder growled, as the wind howled, Alice peered out of a bedroom window, wondering what she was going to do. Another super sentence this. The use of the verbs wept, growled and howled adds a touch of personification, breathing vibrant life into the description. So you have seen how the as key action super sentence is not only easy to write, but elevates the quality of your descriptions. Have a go yourself by pausing the video and choosing one of these 4 pictures to write about.